Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I am Dr. Bhumika. Let's look at today's top medical news. Researchers produce viable embryo-forming egg cells from underdeveloped oocytes. Mature egg cells or oocytes are essential for fertilization and assisted reproductive technologies. However, some denuded oocytes or those lacking the protective granulosa cell layer fail to mature. Now, in a new study by researchers at Shinshu University, the team has developed a method to culture mature oocytes from these denuded oocytes in the lab. The study, published online in Biology of Reproduction, assistant professor Kanako Morahako and her team at Shinshu University have identified a novel method to produce viable embryo-forming eggs from denuded oocytes taken from pre-enteral follicles in mice. The researchers isolated denuded oocytes and granulosa cells from mice, which were then grown together in a U-shaped lab dish for 8 days. This led to the formation of granulosa cell oocyte complex, which allowed the oocytes to interact with supporting cells again. These oocytes were cultured with granulosa cells under high and low concentrations of oxygen to observe the difference in oocyte growth. Health warning: lead in turmeric found to exceed safe limits by 200 times in India. Lead levels in turmeric sold in India, Nepal and Pakistan were several times higher than the regulatory limit according to a new study. Samples from India's Patna and Pakistan's Karachi and Peshawar had lead levels in turmeric exceeding 1000 micrograms per gram, the study published in Science of the Total Environment found. Guwahati and Chennai also saw levels exceeding the regulatory limit set by the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. The regulatory limit for lead in turmeric whole and powder is 10 microgram per gram, states Fasai's Food Safety and Standards Regulation 2011. Children having blood lead levels of 10 microgram per liter is associated with the loss of 1 intelligence quotient point. While there is no known safe blood lead concentration, even blood lead concentration as low as 3.5 microgram per deciliter may be associated with decreased intelligence in children, behavioral difficulties and learning problems. Daytime sleepiness may be linked to pre-dementia syndrome. Older people who are sleepy during the day or lack enthusiasm for activities due to sleep issues may be more likely to develop a syndrome that can lead to dementia, according to a study published in the online issue of Neurology, the Medical Journal of the American Academy of Neurology. The study found that people with excessive daytime sleepiness and a lack of enthusiasm to get things done were more likely to develop the syndrome than people without those sleep-related issues. The study does not prove that these sleep-related issues cause the syndrome, it only shows an association. The study involved 445 people with an average age of 76 who did not have dementia. Participants took questionnaires for sleep at the start of the study. They were asked about memory issues and their walking speed was tested on a treadmill at the start of the study and then once a year for an average of 3 years. Thank you for watching Medical Dialogues. Stay tuned for more such updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe and press the bell icon.